Stick around to the end to see illiteracy in action.
Okay, we're all going to turn right, yes?
No. The classic dual turn fail.
Bullnose violation.
There's no better way to start your day than running across someone performing a questionable U-turn.
Bullnose violation.
You have made me very angry indeed.
The driver you'll see on my right is a truly dangerous idiot. There simply is not enough room for him to merge. And here's the view from the rear camera. I believe there was more room behind me than in front of me.
Bullnose violation.
Now for a cutoff montage. Please only occupy one lane at a time. The world's fastest green light strikes again. And finally, on a trip out of state, I ran across this trucker struggling to figure out where he should park. Perhaps he should just read the sign in front of it.